Hi everyone, my name is Anjali Pradeep. I'm from the branch Computer Science and Business System. Today I'm going to talk about the topic phone with inbuilt charger. In today's fast-paced world, staying connected is more critical than ever. Mobile phones have become an integral part of our lives, but the need to carry around chargers and cables can be inconvenient. That's why we are excited to unveil our latest innovation, the mobile phone with an inbuilt charger. Imagine never having to worry about carrying a separate charger or searching for an available power outlet. Our cutting edge technology integrates a compact charging mechanism directly into the phone's design, ensuring that your device stays charged at all times. Whether you are traveling, working, or on the go, this feature will keep you connected without the hassle of carrying extra accessories. Key features are the integrated charging technology. Our mobile phone with an inbuilt charger comes equipped with a state of the art charging system that works seamlessly with the phone's battery. This integration ensures efficient charging while maximizing battery life. Next one, wireless charging convenience. Tired of dealing with tangled cables? Say goodbye to them without wireless charging capabilities. Simply place your phone on any compatible charging pad and it will start charging automatically. Next one, fast charging support. We understand your time is valuable and that's why our inbuilt charger supports fast charging technology. Get your phone charged up quickly and be on your way in no time. Sleek and ergonomic design. Our mobile phone is crafted with both aesthetics and functionality in mind. The inbuilt charger doesn't compromise the sleek design or the user experience. The device feels comfortable in your hand and looks stylish in any setting. Enhanced portability. With the charger integrated into the phone, you can say goodbye to carrying extra accessories. Enjoy the freedom of traveling light without compromising on the essential features. Safety first. Rest assured that the inbuilt charger adheres to the highest safety standards. It is designed with the advanced safety features to protect against overcharging and overheating, keeping your device and you safe. Universal compatibility. Our inbuilt charger works with standard charging pads, ensuring that the compatibility with the most wireless charging stations available on the internet. Thank you.